Hi guys, welcome to Unedited channel. A good human will learn lesson from the mistake which he did and he will not do it again and again in his life. But somebody will never learn lesson from the mistake which they did and they will do it again and again purposefully to gain personally. Guys, when somebody is spreading the net to catch someone to get establish their personal gain, why you guys getting into the net and stuck? Guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and please support us. In America, COVID-19 cases are keep on increasing day by day, every day. And America is number one in terms of COVID-19 death. And due to COVID-19, the economic also melting down. Due to economic crisis, nearly 40 lakh Americans are jobless. These factors are turning against the government as an anti-incumbency factor. Now the government would want to dispose the anti-incumbency factor, and they would want to divert the issue from COVID-19 to racism against the black people. Without knowing, these most black people are getting into the trouble. Guys, please understand the real source of problem. Because racism has been started 16th century onwards. But black people find the permanent solution. That is the reason why still racism is keep on growing and continuing. Because black people are holding the tail end of the problem. They should catch the head end. To strengthen our notion, President also wrote in his Twitter account stating that he's calling the protester as thugs and vicious dogs. These words definitely will not calm the protest. Definitely he is throwing the fuel into the fire which is already bright. Moreover, guys, if the government would want to learn the lesson from the Light's death, then definitely they would have avoided the Brooks murder. So they are doing it again and again. It clearly shows that their intention is something different. So guys, if you need a real solution, original solution, permanent solution, capturing the power is the only solution to eradicate the racism. Getting into the street, protesting against the government will not provide a permanent solution. It may exacerbate the situation or exacerbate the violence, but it won't give you anything in favor of you. But one thing I am sure, it will trouble you. Because police may book the case against the protesters. It may cause you and your family. So instead of wasting your time in the street, instead of wasting your energy in the street, please concentrate on skill development, education development, and knowledge development. Try to get established across all departments like administrative department, police department, judiciary, and even in politics. If you spread across all departments, then you can write your own rule to protest your own community. Literally, if you want to provide a bright future to your children and their children's, capturing the power is the only way to get the permanent solution. Guys, it may take half a decade or 1 decade, but at least after a decade, you can have power in your hand. So no one will ask you question, but you may ask question others. Literally, if you want to provide a peaceful life to your future generation, Concentrate on capturing the power instead of wasting the time in the street and destroying the public properties and troubling yourself, your family. Act intelligently and get out from the problem and find the real solution. Guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. Please share to your friends and relatives, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel to talk about another matter in some time back. We'll meet again. Till then, thank you.